Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a screwdriver with Blender. So let's get started. Let me first enable my screencast keys. So in case if I press any type of keyboard shortcut, that should be visible to you on the bottom left hand side corner. So yeah, let's get started. So here we have the default cube. You just need to go to edit mode with the cube selected. Just do SY3, press enter or right click your mouse. Then you will need to go to face mode. Then we need to first select the face on the left hand side, so this particular face, then SZ 0.1. then we need to select the face on the right hand side, and then SX 1.5 and SZ 0.8. so yeah, something like this. Then we need to add the cylinder in edit mode itself, so add cylinder, just move it like this. Then do RX90, then do GY7. We need to add a vertical loop cut to our cube, so I will just select our loop cut option. I'll add one vertical loop cut and then change the make it to 12, so I'll just change this value to 12. Then we need to add one horizontal loop cut as well, and I'll change this value to 2. Then we need to select face mode. I'll just select this particular thing so that I can get rid of my loop cut. Then we need to select all faces of the cube on the right hand side, so I'll just zoom in a little. I'll select all these faces. Okay, I'll just select these two faces and these two faces as well, and press X, delete faces. Then go to vertex mode. I'll select all this vertex, okay, not this one but the one which we have over here. Okay, then press shift and you need to select the vertices of your cylinder as well, so I'll just go back over here. Make sure you press shift. Okay, I think it is, so it has selected, but it has selected this extra one as well, which I will remove by pressing on it, shift pressing on it. Then you need to go to edge, bridge edge loops. Then we need to go to wireframe, so here is our wireframe mode. Then select center vertices from the cube side, so I'll just make sure like something like this, you are on the Z axis. Okay, zoom in a little. Okay, make sure you're on Z axis. Okay, Z1, and make sure you select the center to 1, so the top one as well as the bottom one should be selected. So here you can see tops 2 and bottom 2 are selected. Then we need to enable the proportional, so again I'll just zoom out a little. Enable proportional editing, and you just need to do G5. okay, and like I'm on my trackpad, so I can just press 2 fingers to make it big first, something like this, and then with the help of 1 finger I can move it like this. So hopefully you got the point. Then we need to disable proportional editing. Then go to solid mode, select face. Then we need to select the faces of our cylinder, so I'll just select this, and we need to rotate a little. So here you can see the rotation is not proper, so I'll just do RY and move it on this side. So yeah, something like this looks okay. Then select faces of cube, and we just need to do, so this, all these faces, I'll just select this. Okay, again I'll just zoom out a little, so all these faces are selected. Then do SZ0. If I just show it to you from this side, it will be more clearer. Then RX5, and yeah, if you want to do a little bit G and Z, move it something like this. Yeah, this looks okay. Then we need to select the bottom faces as well. I'll zoom a little, I'll select this bottom faces, and here again I will do SZ0, then RX -5, and if you want to do GZ a little bit to make it in more shape, you can do that. So yeah, something like this looks okay to me. Then select the starting faces. Okay, so I'll just select all the starting faces, then do SZ 0.5. then we need to go to object mode. We need to add a subdivision surface, so I'll just come over here, modifier, add a subdivision surface. Alright, then we change the levels to 2, renders to 3, then right click to shade smooth, right click, shade smooth, then go to edit mode and select the edge. Just go to edit mode, select edge. Okay, then we need to select this 2 edges on both sides, so I'll just select this first edge, GG, to slide it up, then select this edge, GG, to slide it down. Okay, then again select this particular edge, GG, to slide it up, and GG to slide it down. Then add one loop cut at the top and one loop cut at bottom. So here you can see it has been a little bit, it got I mean, it's not proper, but what I can do is I can just go to loop cut, add a loop cut at the top of this particular line, so make it as close as possible, something like this. And I'll add one loop cut and drag it over here almost. Okay, then add another loop cut and make it go all the way to the bottom. Then select face mode, and we'll have to select, okay, again I'll get rid of my loop cut by pressing this. We'll have to select the back face, so I'll just select this back face, and then I'll do E50. Alright, so this is done as well. Okay, I'll just, okay, yeah, so something like this, E50. Then we need to add a loop cut to sharpen it, so again I'll just select this loop cut option, I'll add at the very start and make sure you do it like this. So yeah, so now it is sharp. Then we need to go to object mode, add mesh circle, then change the vertices to 16 first. I'm not sure if you guys can see my circle, I'll just make it like this. So this is my circle, change the vertices to 16, which we have done. Then do RX 90. Okay, I think I messed it up, I made it 909, not 909, it is only 90. Then we need to do GY 35. Okay, I think my circle was not selected, so I will just do G, not R, sorry, G. Okay, you just need to do GY 35. So here your circle should be. Okay, then once we have it, we need to do EY -5, EY minus, okay, I don't know what okay, we need to go to edit mode, sorry. So EY -5, yeah, something like this. Okay, again I'll get rid of my loop cut by pressing this. Then this first part of our circle is still selected, so keep it that way. We just have to do extrude, then right click on your mouse, then do S4, enter. Okay, then do EY 30, so EY 30. Okay, I think I messed it up again. I'll just do EY -30, I guess. No, EY 30. Okay, yeah, EY 30 you have to do. I don't know why in the first attempt it like made extrusion on the wrong side, maybe I pressed minus. So EY 30, then add a loop cut, So again I'll just select loop cut and I'll add it over somewhere over here. Then select face mode and select the ending faces. I'll just do this. I'll select the ending faces, and we just need to do face, extrude face along normals, and just do -1. Okay. Then we need to add a loop cut as well. So I'll just take this one, I'll move it over here. Then we need to select the ending faces. So I'll just select this. So I'll just select all face mode, select. Okay, this is not working out, I don't know why. Let me try it. Okay, let me just do it by this way. Okay, then just do S shift Y 1.1. okay, I think this doesn't look good, so I'll just do Command Z or Control Z. I'll just select this particular part. Okay, then just do S shift Y 1.1. okay, I think this looks better, and press enter. Then select, go to edge mode, and we need to select the back face edge, so something like this, and just do E, right click on your mouse, then scale it down twice. So S to scale it down once, S to scale it down again, and then F to fill. Then enable proportional editing. So again I'll just enable, I'm already inside edit mode. Then just make sure this face is selected like what I have selected. Then just do GY and make sure you increase this circle first, so something like this, and just press 2, press enter. So yeah, then you can just disable proportional editing again. Then add another loop cut close to the first one. So I'll just go over here and I'll add it along over here. Then select face mode again, get rid of our loop cut by pressing this. Then we'll select this particular, again this is not getting selected. I'll just select all these faces. Then again face, extrude face along normals, and just press -0.3. Then we need to add a loop cut at right edge of handle. Just take this and I'll add a loop cut over here. Then we need to select all the middle faces. So again I'll just get rid of loop cut by pressing this, and I'll go to face mode. I'll select all these faces, middle faces, and then do select, checker deselect, then face, extrude face along normals, and just do 0.5. okay. Then again just do E, right click, then select the starting faces, so this particular part, then just do E -1, Then we need to add 2 loop cuts. So what we'll do is we'll just add 2 loop cuts over here. Just to go over here, I'll add 1 loop cut over here and 1 loop cut close to this. Then so our second loop cut is already selected. Then just do S0.8, enter. Then add another loop cut, so that could be around here. Then we need to go to face mode, select the faces. Okay, just a second, get rid of my loop cut, select this faces, select, checker deselect, then face, extrude face along normals 0.5, add a loop cut on the new face as well. So for that, again I'll just go to loop cut, I'll add it over here, make it extremely close. Okay, then we just do S0.8 again, then go to object mode, add a subdivision surface, set levels to 2 and renders to 3, then right click, shade smooth. Then we need to go to again edit mode, again select a loop cut, first add a loop cut over here like this, then add a loop cut over here like this. Alright, then again we need to go to object mode, we need to select our circle, so our circle is already selected. Just go to material, add new material. If you want, you can select this particular thing as well, viewport shading I guess, and select a base color. I'll just select a green color, change the roughness to maybe around 0.2 and set the transmission to 1. Alright, then we need to go to edit mode and select the faces. So again the faces, so again I'll just get rid of my loop cut by pressing this. I'll go to face mode, I'll select all these faces, I'll just do command plus, then you can just do select more or less, and I'll select more. Then again I'll just add and click on this plus, click on new, and here I'll just select one black color, I'll just move this down, make sure you click on assign as well. Alright, then we can go to object mode, select this metal part which we have, and here for this we can give it a gray color like this and change the metallic to 1 and roughness to 0.3. Then you can join them using command J. So I'll just select this and just do command J to join them. So yeah, here it is. If you want, you can export it as well using file, export, GLTF. I'll just select desktop, and here you can go to data, mesh, click on apply modifiers, export as GLTF. Then here you can go to this website GLTF viewer. I can just drag and drop my file, and here you can see this is our screwdriver. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.